why we see a lot of Gen Z kids, they are millennials and so prominent on as a content creator, influencer, and doing all this stupid shit, and then buying this our dream cars and our dream houses and living a lavish life because um where I came from, I used to lack in communication. I used to lack in lot of aspects like I mean, I had stage fear, and then I had so much low confidence and low self esteem when talking in front of people. And then I used to be always scared that चार लोग क्या कहेंगे, and it comes from our background itself. Like घर पे अगर कोई गेस्ट आ जाते हैं तो वी आर लाइक we try to hide, and me and my brother used to always hide in one of the bedrooms, and as soon as we get to know that they are out of the house, then we used to come out and then sit confidently in our living room and watch TV. So now when I see that I am 30-year-old and I'm still struggling to gain that much confidence which I see in 16 or 17-year-olds who are earning millions right now, and they are so dope. I mean, they are so confident about them, and they are just outshining everywhere in the world. The only reason it's happening is because they are fearless basically. तो उनको कोई डर ही नहीं है कि वर्स से बस क्या हो जाएगा. आई मीन, मेरे को ये समझने में बहुत ज़्यादा टाइम लग गया कि मेरा सबसे बेसिक चीज़ कुछ भी बिल्ड करने के लिए, लाइक वॉट एवर द business or whatever the idea, everything, my basic requirement is the confidence. Or whatever, even as a content creator, the basic requirement is the confidence. You just start with the, whatever you have, just start. It's not the money, it's not the, not even the idea, or not even the um skills. It's all about the execution, and execution doesn't mean that you need to have that certain amount of the monetary support, the financial support, or the best cameras, or the best background, whatever it is. But the very important thing is confidence. And yeah, I mean, they are doing great. They are earning in like so much more, and they are living their happy life. Of course, they have a lot of stress, anxiety, and a lot of things which human nature has. And ऐसे नहीं बोल रहे कि they succeed all the way, like everybody succeeds. They also have those life paths to go through, the failures and everything, but the always outshining confidence helps them to move forward. सोचो, अगर मैं सोच रही हूँ कि मेरा कोई जॉब है मैं सोच रही हूँ अभी मैं पैसे जमा कर रही हूँ 1 साल के लिए, एंड देन आई एम गोना स्टार्ट माई बिजनेस. तो मैं 1 साल से बस पैसे जमा कर रही हूँ बिकॉज आई थिंक आई नीड टू हैव लाइक 30-40 lakhs इन माई बैंक अकाउंट जस्ट टू स्टार्ट समथिंग. एंड वो मेरे लिए, मुझे ऐसा लगता था कि इट्स इवन लेस. बट द पर्सन जो मैंने 1 साल वेट करा है, 365 डे, बट द पर्सन हु हैज़ नथिंग, लाइक कुछ भी मॉनिटरी सपोर्ट नहीं है, कुछ भी फाइनेंशियल बैकग्राउंड नहीं है, कुछ भी नहीं है, दैट डे वन ही स्टार्टेड इंस्टेड ऑफ वेटिंग फॉर द दोज 365 days. व्हेन आई इफ ही स्टार्ट्स ऑन द डे वन, तब से लेकर ऑन द 365 days आई एम गोना स्टार्ट माई समथिंग. He must have reached like 100 steps ahead of me, just because he was on the journey, he was processing everything live, which I will start through. तो मेरा यही आई मीन द मोटिव ऑफ दिस वीडियो इज़, हम लोग कितना लैक करते हैं हर चीज़ में, स्पेशली आवर आई एम नॉट इवन मिलेनियल, आई एम नॉट इवन जेन जी, आई वुड कॉल माई सेल्फ. मैं थोड़ी सी जेन जी हूँ, बट मैं 50% मिलेनियल भी हूँ. सो आई एम स्टक इन दैट लूप बिकॉज आई एम 95 born. एंड but I feel so bad for all the millennials. I see them, I mean, they think कि उनको हर वक्त अपने पेरेंट्स को, सोसाइटी को कितना कुछ इम्प्रेस करना है, एंड दे लैक सो मच इन कॉन्फिडेंस दैट सब कुछ ना बहुत डिले हो जाता है, राइट? सो I would just say, just start, whatever you have. Even you have like 20,000 in your bank account, and right now someone is earning 20 crores. and you have that mission to go through, just start. आई मीन डोंट थिंक कि तुम्हारे वो 4 लोग जो हंस रहे हैं तुम्हारा वीडियो देख के क्या बोलेंगे, और वो तुम्हारी नेबर वाली आंटी सोचेगी कि तुम क्यों डांस कर रहे हो, तुम क्या कर रहे हो. आई वुड जस्ट से just start, but it is very important during that start process. You don't, I mean, you don't lose yourself, and you try to build also something at the same time. For example, तुम अगर वीडियोस के लिए नाच रहे हो तो तुम वीडियोस के लिए नाचो, but at the same time you are also giving few time to build your skills, your personality, or you're building your communication at the same time, I mean. And you will see gradually after few months or few years, when you are on this process, even if you have gained a lot of fame due to dancing or making cooking videos, but at the same time you have earned that communication skill, or you have earned that personality building stage, you have gone through all it. So तुम्हें अभी दोनों संभालने आ रहा है, like fame also and the personality also. Because I see a lot of creators. I'm so sorry because I'm having this cold matcha and it's so, a lot of creators, they are earning in millions, but उनको ना वो stage नहीं मिल रहा है. I don't want to take names, but I know them and they're doing great job, okay. Because I know how difficult it is to face the camera. ये वीडियो बनाने के लिए मुझे बहुत टाइम लग गया था. So उन्होंने ना वो पर्सनालिटी बिल्ड नहीं किए टू होल्ड ऑन टू दैट फेम ऑल्सो, एंड दे आर स्ट्रगलिंग. Meanwhile, I've seen creators like Bhuvan Bam, one of my favorite, mostly seen, Prajakta Kohli. She is like, if you see her initial videos, जब उसने start किया था, only because of the confidence or the willingness to execute her stuff. And now if you see her, she has increased her vocabulary, she has increased her personality, and वो ना पूरी package बन चुकी है. So it's very important when you start something, you also build some of your skills at the same time. And I really think school में ना ये सब चीज़ें सिखानी चाहिए, rather than teaching us what is sin, cos, tan, theta and all. ये सब यार एक, या फिर एक कोई सेशन होना चाहिए जिसमें ये लोग पर्सनालिटी, एक्चुअल में पर्सनालिटी डेवलपमेंट सिखाएंगे. वी यूज्ड टू हैव दैट सब्जेक्ट, बट मुझे एग्जैक्टली याद नहीं उसमें क्या सिखाते थे. बट ये ना ये सब होना चाहिए, लाइक लाइफ स्टाइल, वेलनेस एंड कम्युनिकेशन, ये सब कोई बनाना चाहिए यार, सच में मेरे को ऐसा लगता है.